Hey there everybody! I'm going to be showing you in this quick video how to fold these really adorable Easter boxes. These are completely free on the blog, all three of these, the bunny, the carrot, and the basket, and it's a cute little way to put some candy in something and be able to gift it to someone at Easter time. So you can find the link to download these below this video, and you can also find a link below this video for those of you who are using Cricut Design Space and want to know how I add the score lines so the machine can cut them for you. You can see that below this video as well. Okay, so I'm starting with the Easter basket here, and I'm going to fold all those little tabs down around each side of the Easter basket. This is pretty self-explanatory. Obviously all of the corners and the seams are where you're just going to fold, so you may not even need to watch this video when you put these together, but I just wanted to give a visual along with the templates. For those of you who may need a little bit of visual assistance there, I'm definitely someone who learns visually. So I'm just adding glue on each of these tabs. You can use hot glue for this, or you can use liquid glue. Honestly, either will work fine for the most part. Obviously with hot glue you'll have to work a little bit faster. So I'm just adding the glue along the tabs here, and then it's going to close into a cute little box. Once the box is all closed, I'm going to take that little handle piece that comes with the templates, and I'm just going to add a little glue on one side, and I'm going to place it down inside of the box on each side across from it. And you're just going to form a little loop. These are the perfect size for just a small handful of candy, so I think they're a really great cute thing to give to kids when you want to give them a little gift but you don't want it to be a huge basket full of candy. So I like to get some small M&Ms or small Cadbury eggs or Robin's eggs to put into these little baskets here. And that's how easy it is. So you can just fill it with some grass if you want, and then add some candy right on top of it. That's what I like to do. Or you could put your candy in a bag first and then stick it inside of there if you prefer to do it that way. And I'm just using some chocolate Cadbury eggs here, and I'm just going to dump those on top of that. And then I'm going to show you how to make the next box. So next is our carrot box here, and you may have seen some other carrot boxes out there that form like a point at the tip, and I made mine a little bit differently to where it was more of like a box at the bottom with a carrot top, like a carrot would be sticking up out of the ground or something like that. So again, very self-explanatory, and it's just folding along those lines, along each of those seams there, and the bottom of this carrot box will close together, and then the top part of it, you'll be able to close the top and then reopen it if you want to. So for this one here, I cut this into two pieces because when I did it with just one carrot, like all seamless piece, it ended up being really small because of the print then cut restrictions on my Cricut machine. So in the template you'll see a whole carrot, and you'll see the package also split into two, so you have two different size variations if you're using your Cricut machine. And this one here is a more appropriate size box. You can see how little my box is there to the right hand side of another carrot I made, and it was just really tiny. I could hardly get any candy in it. So putting two pieces together like this to form the box allowed the box to be a little bit bigger, and you could put more candy in it. So I just folded all those tabs down and added a little glue there at the bottom so that it stays closed. And now you can fold in the top part here. First, of course, you want to add your candy. So at this point, put a little package of candy in there, or, just throw in some loose candy like I'm doing. And you'll just fold that box closed, and there's a little tab that you can tuck it so that it stays closed. And then you can just fold the top part with the greenery over it. If you don't want to glue this part, you just want to add like a little piece of tape so it can easily come off, that's fine. These are usually one and done packages, so it's not something you would technically reuse a lot. So I put a little bit of liquid glue there on the greenery to keep it closed for my carrot top, but you can play around with it and decide how you want to do it for your Easter carrot package. Alright, so there we have it, our little Easter carrot package there. You can put some candy in it. And the last one I'm going to show you here is a little bunny package. And this one's just real simple. It's just a 3-fold sort of triangular package when you look down from the top of it. And you just fold the tabs at the bottom and fold the crease at the very bottom as well. And then we're just going to glue together the tab on the side. I also created sort of a top that allowed you to fold it down in so that it looked, you didn't see as much of the white inside of the package, so be sure to fold that scalloped edge down before you glue it. So I'm just going to add a little glue here, and then I'm going to tuck it in on the other side between that folded top and that other edge of the package. Just like that. So that one's really easy. That's probably the easiest one of them all. And then the bottom here you will just tuck closed, and you can add a little glue if you want to, or a little tape on the inside if you want to keep the bottom extra secure if you're putting any like heavier candy in there. I'm just going to fold mine in here for example's purpose and just tuck it right in the bottom. And that's how easy the bunny box one is. I'm just going to flatten that bottom out there a little bit. And it comes with some little bunny ears as well, just to finish off the look. So the little ears will stick up beyond the box. And these are also part of the print and cut free templates. So you have our little bunny face here and his little paws sticking out of the front. And I'm going to just glue these ears right on the front there. You can glue them at whatever angle or placement you prefer. And then of course you'll just add your candy to this, and that is your third and final Easter package here for gifting candy. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I hope you enjoy making these and giving them to someone you love this Easter. You can use the basket, the bunny, or the carrot, or all three. And I'm going to show you some close-up images here of what they turned out when I made a lot of them. They're just really cute, really fun, and the perfect amount of candy, especially for young kids. Make sure you download these via the link below this video, and I'll see you guys there.